Hi there, welcome to day 3 of our Paris travel vlog. It was a cold and rainy day in Paris, and hubby was sick, so I took the kids to Galeries Lafayette to do some indoor shopping. Be sure to try the macarons. They're everywhere in Paris, and trust me, these macarons are absolutely delicious and hands down my favorite. If you plan on shopping for souvenirs, be sure to check out the top floor, where you'll find a huge selection of souvenirs. In the afternoon, we took Uber to Arc de Triomphe and the Champs-Élysées. L'Autochi macaron is also very popular. You can see them everywhere. Personally, I like Pierre Hermé better, so we decided to go to their pastry shop on Champs-Élysées and try out their other desserts. Their desserts are so delicious, and my favorite is the Ispahan. It's time for dinner, and the lights on Champs-Élysées starts to sparkle and light up. It's really beautiful. The place for dinner tonight is Shishemen. It's a very small restaurant and fills up very quickly, so it's a good idea to reserve online before you go. And that wraps up our day 3 in Paris. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our day 4 vlog.